Optimizing WorldPay direct integration is crucial for a seamless payment experience. To start, ensure you have a WorldPay account and the necessary API credentials. Begin by understanding the different integration options, including server-to-server, client-side, and tokenization. Each method has its own set of benefits and drawbacks, so choose the one that best suits your business needs. Next, familiarize yourself with the WorldPay API documentation, which provides detailed information on request and response formats, error handling, and security guidelines. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly to prevent payment failures and ensure a smooth user experience. Implementing tokenization is a best practice, as it allows you to store sensitive payment information securely and reduce the risk of data breaches. WorldPay provides a tokenization service that enables you to replace sensitive payment data with a unique token, which can be used for future transactions. To optimize the integration, focus on security and compliance. Ensure that your website meets the payment card industry data security standard requirements and uses HTTPS protocol to encrypt sensitive data. Additionally, implement 3D secure authentication to reduce the risk of fraudulent transactions. When testing the integration, use the WorldPay test environment to simulate different payment scenarios and ensure that your implementation is working correctly. It is also essential to monitor and analyze payment performance regularly to identify areas for improvement. Best practices for optimizing WorldPay direct integration include handling duplicate payments, implementing retry logic for failed transactions, and providing clear payment instructions to customers. By following these steps and guidelines, you can ensure a secure, efficient, and reliable payment experience for your customers. In conclusion, optimizing WorldPay direct integration requires careful planning, attention to security and compliance, and thorough testing. By understanding the different integration options, implementing tokenization, and following best practices, you can provide a seamless payment experience for your customers and reduce the risk of payment failures.